careful, I'm gonna sneak by and grab that 100. How big's the turbos on here?
85s.
85s.
Yeah.
Remind me what trans you're running?
Supply.
Carglide. Pretty light?
29 something will be in it though.
Not that light looking at it.
I mean, it's got like 140 pounds, 135 pounds. With that weight, it's 29, 30 or something.
Seems like you got the weight distribution figured out. This thing leaves so hard.
It doesn't like without the weight. If it's not on a lot of glue, it doesn't like it.
Yeah.
We just leave it.
the end?
We were... Shit, I mean, it was tired. I mean, it was
All over the place.
It had to be close.
Right before the end, I look over, and I see a sprint in also right there. I'm like, oh, shit.
Side.